One Saturday, Mr. Bacon decided to do something about Steve. He walked into Steve's room. It smelled terrible, like dirty socks and old food. "Steve, I found you a job," he said loudly. Steve was lying on his bed, watching cat videos on his phone. He didn't even look up. "Oh, what job?" "I found you a job at a car wash," Mr. Bacon answered. "They need someone to clean cars. It's perfect for you. You like being dirty." Steve sat up quickly. He looked shocked. "A car wash? Father, do I look like I wash things? I don't even wash my hair often." "Exactly," his father said. "Maybe now you'll learn why soap is important." From the kitchen, Steve's mother shouted, "Oh, leave him alone. He's still young." Mr. Bacon said angrily, "He's 18. When I was 18, I already had a job." Steve sighed loudly. "Fine, I will go. But if my friends see me cleaning cars, my life is over." On Monday morning, Steve went to the car wash. The manager, Mr. Jenkins, gave Steve a sponge and a bucket. "Listen carefully," said Mr. Jenkins. "Clean the whole car, not just some parts." Steve slowly cleaned the front of the first car. After 5 minutes, he stopped and smiled. He thought, "It looks good enough." Mr. Jenkins came back and looked carefully at the car. "Steve, why isn't the whole car clean?" Steve smiled. "Well, if I clean one part well, people will think the whole car looks good." Mr. Jenkins was not happy. "Wash the whole car now." Steve sighed. "Fine, but I want my lunch break soon." "You started 5 minutes ago," said Mr. Jenkins. Steve complained, but Mr. Jenkins ignored him. The job was already terrible. At lunchtime, Steve tried to leave quietly through the back door, but just as he stepped outside, he heard a voice he knew very well. "Steve, what are you doing here?" Steve turned around slowly. His father stood there, next to his dirty car, smiling. "Oh, hi, Father," said Steve nervously. "I brought my car here for a wash," said Mr. Bacon, "and guess what? You will clean it." Steve closed his eyes. "This is terrible." His father smiled again. "It's this or you work longer tomorrow." Steve took the sponge again and whispered, "I really should find my own place."